Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on export import documentation. This is part first. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. Which of the following documents are not required for obtaining an export license? Options are A. IEC number, B. Letter of credit, C. Registration cum membership certificate, D. Bank account number. The correct option is B. Letter of credit. 2. Which of the following documents is not required in connection with an import transaction? A. Bill of lading, B. Shipping bill, C. Certificate of origin, D. Shipment advice. Correct option is C. Certificate of origin. 3. Which of the following do not form part of duty drawback scheme? So here correct option is D. Refund of income dock charges at the port of shipment. 4. Which one of the following is not a document related to fulfill the customs formalities? A. Shipping bill, B. Export license, C. Letter of insurance, D. Pro forma invoice. Correct option is D. Pro forma invoice. Question number 5. Which one of the following is not a part of export documents? A. Commercial invoice, B. Certificate of origin, C. Bill of entry, D. Mate's receipt. Correct option is C. Bill of entry. 6. A receipt issued by the commanding officer of the ship when the cargo is loaded on the ship is known as A. Shipping receipt, B. Mate receipt, C. Cargo receipt, D. Charter receipt. Here correct option is B. Mate receipt. 7. Which of the following document is prepared by the exporter and includes details of the cargo in terms of the shipper's name, the number of packages, the shipping bill, port of destination, name of the vehicle carrying the cargo? Options are A. Shipping bill, B. Packaging list, C. Mate's receipt, D. Bill of exchange. Correct option is D. Bill of exchange. Question number 8. The document containing the guarantee of a bank to honor drafts drawn on it by an exporter is, here options are A. Letter of hypothecation, B. Letter of credit, C. Bill of lading, D. Bill of exchange. Correct option is B. Letter of credit. 9. Which of the following does not belong to the World Bank Group? A. IBRD, B. IDA, C. MEGA, D. IMF. The correct option is D. IMF. As other the three ones are the affiliates of World Bank. Question number 10. TRIP is one of the WTO agreements that deal with, here correct option is not given actually, here it doesn't deal with actually TRIP is, that is trade related intellectual property right, so it does not have anything to do with the three other options, so hence option D is correct. 11. Trade between two countries can be useful if cost ratios of goods are A. Undetermined, B. Decreasing, C. Equal, D. Different. So here correct option is D. Different. 12. The term euro currency market refers to, here correct option is B. The market where the borrowing and lending of currencies take place outside the country of issue. 13. Which of the following theories suggests that firms seek to penetrate new markets over time? A. Imperfect market theory, B. Product cycle theory, C. Theory of comparative advantage, D. None of the above. So here correct option is B. Product cycle theory. 14. Dumping refers to A. Reducing tariffs, B. Sale of goods abroad at a low price below their cost and price in the home market, C. Buying goods at low prices abroad and selling at higher prices locally, D. Expensive goods selling for low prices. So here correct option is B. Sale of goods abroad at low price below their cost and price in home market. 15. International trade and domestic trade differ because of A. Different government policies, B. Immobility of factors, C. Trade restrictions, D. All of the above. Here correct option is D. All of the above. 16. Which of the following is international trade? A. Trade between countries, B. Trade between regions, C. Trade between provinces. D. Both A, B and C. The correct option is A. Trade between countries. 17. The following statement with respect to currency option is, which of the following statement is wrong actually here? So correct option is D. Call option will be used by exporters. 18. The margin for a currency future should be maintained with the clearing house by A. the seller, B. the buyer, C. either the buyer or the seller as per the agreement between them, D. both the buyer and the seller. Correct option is D. both the buyer and the seller. 19. Government policy about exports and imports is called A. commercial policy, B. fiscal policy, C. monetary policy, D. finance policy. Correct option is A. commercial policy. 20. Market in which currencies buy and sell and the prices settle on is called the A. international bond market, B. international capital market, C. foreign exchange market, D. euro currency market. Correct option is C. foreign exchange market. 21. Trade between two countries can be useful if cost ratios of goods are A. undetermined, B. decreasing, C. equal, D. different. Correct option is D. different. 22. The term euro currency market refers to, here correct option is B, the market where the borrowing and lending of currencies take place outside the country of issue. 23. Which of the following theories suggests that firms seek to penetrate new markets over time? So here option B is correct, product cycle theory. Some of the questions are repeated here now. 24. Dumping refers to, here correct option is B, sale of goods abroad at a low price below their cost and price in home market. 25. International trade and domestic trade differ because of all the factors given here. So correct option is D. 26. The margin for a currency future should be maintained with the clearing house by A. both the buyer and the seller. 27. Which of the following is international trade? So trade between the countries. Here correct option is A. 27. The following statement with respect to currency option is wrong. So here call option will be used by exporters. So correct option is D. Government policy about exports and imports is called commercial policy. These are some repeated questions. Market in which currencies buy and sell and their prices settle on is called the, here correct option is C, foreign exchange market. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, our classes, and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.